You've got the biggest drool hanging down your face. I feel like it dropped somewhere. Is it slinking down the stairs? Gross. Back to this. So today I've decided I think I'm going to try something a little easier. Famous last word. I'm going to try to make a Pinafore. I don't own a Pinafore. I've never owned a Pinafore. I don't even know if I've ever tried one on. I think they look adorable. They remind me of Maria from Sound of Music, you know, and it kind of goes with it because this is a twin bed sheet that I'm using. So it's not the curtains. The curtains were from the romper, but this is a bed sheet. I've had the fabric for a little while now and I just haven't decided what I want to do with it. So today's the day I'm going to use it. I think it's pretty straightforward. I don't have a pattern. I don't think I'm going to draw out a pattern for it. I think I'm just going to wing it. It's just a front square with 2 identical straps. I can't see that being very difficult. But who knows? It's me. I'll probably do something wrong. I think I'm just going to jump right into it. So I'm going to show you guys the fabric and start cutting away. Contrary to popular belief, I did iron this. So I think I'm going to use my dress pattern from the dress I made last week. I'm not going to do a button placket. I think it's just going to be a straight skirt. Shit, I don't have a zipper. I have to decide if I want a zipper or if I want another button placket. Change of plans. I'm gonna do a button placket. And I can always reverse it and wear the buttons in the back if I wanted to mix up my crayons. But that means buttonhole. I don't know. As a detachable pinafore. Ooh. That adds more buttonholes. But that way I can remove the front and just wear it as a skirt. That could work. It's like 2 pieces of clothing. Great. Now my so-called easy project isn't so easy. I don't have a pattern for the top, but I think it's just like a square, right? All right, get to it. I have my 2 skirt pieces finished. This one's with the placket and this one is on the fold, back piece. So I'm ready to cut out the front. I think I might do a back piece too, just a little bit. I'll see how it looks. If I don't like it, then I'm just gonna stick with the front piece that doesn't go all the way. They might, if I do use a back piece, I think they'll just go straight back. But if I don't use a back piece, I'm gonna see if I can crisscross them so they meet here. Kind of dead set on this whole detachable skirt pinafore thing. I do have enough fabric that if I do screw them up, I'll be able to try again. But I'm hoping first time's a charm. We'll see. Let's give it a whirl. No, you're on my fabric. Is this your favorite pastime? Stepping on my fabric? You're lucky I finished cutting. Hi, monkey. I swear. Do I bore you? All right, well, he's not moving, so I'm gonna just carry on. So I have my Pinafore pieces. Oh, there we go. Stop it. I'm gonna go pin these together, see if it fits. And I'm gonna pin the skirt together, make sure it fits, and then get sewing. And then again, stupid buttonholes. So I thought I would give an update because I'm an idiot. You're an idiot. I was thinking about the detachable and I kind of forgot about the rest of it. Like, it detaches, but how am I going to tie it around if it has a back? Where? Zipper? Am I going to do buttons? So then I kind of flip-flop between, okay, I'm just going to make the front. I'm not going to have a back. I'll just do the crisscross. And I kept thinking, if I'm going to wear this, would I ever wear it without a shirt? Would I be mad if I didn't have the option? Maybe. I ended up putting side panels in with a button placket in the back because my measurements are crap. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with the top. I figure that's something I can do last. Hopefully I don't hate it. I might just scrap this. So I'll need 3 buttons for the back, 4 buttons to attach it to the waistband, 2 kind of decorative buttons on the straps. This project's getting way bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is why it's probably helpful to draw a pattern out so you know exactly what you're doing. So now I'm going to sew the skirt together, and that's kind of it. I do have to do the straps, but that's something I think I'm going to do last. I think it'll be done soon. Obviously the buttonholes are going to take me forever. I think I might be done tonight. Somebody got a haircut. Look at his little squirrel tail. Oh, look at that tail. Look at your squirrel tail. You're so embarrassed. Why? You love it. Look at that. It's so funny. Did we bring the wrong dog home? No, because you and your windmill tail. Yeah. What? Stop it. No one's looking at your bum. Don't worry. No, we're not looking at it. So I did not get everything done like I thought I would in one day. That was, the skirt's done. Well, the buttonholes aren't done. The skirt is put together and ironed. Okay, I can't do anything with you standing right there. Come on. Kick rocks. Good boy. So it's all done, it's put together, added pockets. I'm really not looking forward to doing the buttonholes again, but oh well, we'll see how it goes. I actually didn't even do any more on the shirt. I don't know why, I'm just not feeling it. Now I'm thinking, what if I just made kind of like a tunic t-shirt top kind of to go over it? I do have enough fabric for it. I think I just have to do it, sew it together, see what the F it looks like. I still don't know if I like the top yet. I have the skirt. It looks really nice. I'm not super happy with my pockets. I don't know what I did this time. Well, actually, I know what I did. I sewed the pocket together before I put it on the skirt. I was like, oh, I could just do this before so I don't have to do it afterwards. I like how you just sit right in the video. I think I can make it work. I just have to do a little top stitch and I think it'll all be fine. So it's like the top. Crosses in the back. A basting stitch in the meantime because I don't feel like doing the buttons yet because I still don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. Get off my skirt. Don't stretch on it. It's not a yoga mat. I tried everything on and the sides are still a little too loose, and I think that if I do elastic around both sides, and then the top is a little loose, so I think I'm going to do an elastic band through that as well, just so it kind of clings a little bit more. I can always take it out, but I think that's probably my best bet for now. I came outside to do the buttonholes, and then I remembered that I had this little jar full of metal snaps, so I thought I would do snaps instead of buttons and see if that works. I'm not sure if it'll be secure enough like buttons, but I'm going to give it a try. Hey, why not? Gets me out to do it a few more buttonholes. I'm going to try it first, and then if it doesn't work out, back to buttons. Although this isn't the reveal I wanted to do, I'm actually really happy with this outfit. The Pinafore top that I had made is finished. I just can't find the shirt that I want to wear under it. I have a few blouses, but it's not the same style, so I find it looks a little off. So once I find a shirt that works with it, I will take some pictures and post those. I'm happy with this outfit. I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. I'm really happy that I have a skirt pattern that, you know, fits me really well, and it can kind of be my go-to. I do like wearing skirts. I love wearing dresses. It's pretty much all I wear. I'm going to keep my eyes out for an actual pattern to make a pinafore. I think that would be helpful. Mine turned out all right, but I think my biggest problem was I kept changing my ideas. I should have just stuck with my initial plan, just to do the front piece. I changed it to detachable, I changed it to a wraparound, I did it from straps to crisscrosses. I just kept changing my ideas. My next video will be out next week. I think I'm planning on doing something a little bit different. I might venture out of clothing and try something else. We'll see. Again, I change my mind so often, who knows? I'm going to get cleaning up because this place is a disaster. I am not a clean sewer, apparently. So if you have any tips, tricks, or advice, please let me know in the comments. I would love to read them. I know the pinafore didn't actually turn out and my reveal was a little different, but I hope you enjoyed this video and you liked the outfit I made. And, oh no. Yeah, never mind. He is alive, if anyone was wondering. If I want a bucket. A button placket. Farley. What are you doing? Get your head out of there. No.